Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror.
And Liana here. Welcome back to the Saturday Sister Show. This topic is going to be all about how it's like to have a phone.
Without further ado, let's get started on this video. Now what I'm gonna say is time to report back to HQ.
Hi Elise, how are you?
I'm so fine.
What have you been up to?
So I've been pretending that I was going to HQ.
What's HQ?
HQ is a rocket, okay?
Okay. So
It's a magical place with AQ. It sounds bunny.
have you been eating?
Yes.
So what have you been up to today?
So today I have been watching TV all day today. All day. I mean literally all day.
Oh my gosh. But that's gonna spoil your eyes if you keep on watching TV.
But there's nothing to do. We don't have any new surprises, okay?
Okay. So have you had a fun day today?
No.
Why?
Because I've been watching TV all day.
Hello, girlies.
Hi.
How are you today?
Fine.
Good.
You're really good.
Yes.
And what have you been doing?
Playing.
Just playing and
Playing.
watching TV and just having some fun.
And we happy. The best part of the playing with our new LOLs.
Your LOLs.
Yes.
That's interesting.
Do you want us to show you?
All right, that's fine. Show me then, please.
Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, right back.
We'll be right back. Why is it that you don't like going out?
So I don't like going out. It's because that it's too sunny and the sun gets inside my eyes.
Is that the truth?
No,
But what's the truth? Tell me the truth.
I don't want to tell you.
You have to tell me.
I can't tell you.
Are you scared of something? What are you scared of?
No, I'm not telling you. I'm not going to tell you. Okay.
Are you scared of flies?
You just got it.
Why are you scared of flies? Flies don't even harm you, Elise.
I know. But I don't like it.
Why don't you like flies? They're so beautiful. They just fly around.
But sometimes they can come on you.
Yeah, it's not scary. Flies don't sting you like bees.
But this is a video. People are showing me how I'm scared of flies. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
How are you today?
Fine.
We're good.
Have you had a very good week?
Yes.
Okay, on this show, what is your topic?
So our topic is all about how it's like to have a phone.
Wow, that's good. So, what do you understand by phones, Liana?
So what I understand by phones is that people have phones for different reasons. Like there's an importance why you have to have a phone. So the first reason why you have to have a phone is that if you're in trouble or you don't know how to do something, then you can call your parents or you can message them on WhatsApp.
Thank you. Elise, do you know anything with regards to telephones?
Yes.
Tell us then.
So, what telephone uses? So when it was the past times, people don't have real phones, so people just had to use telephones.
What sort of telephones do they use in the past times?
So in the past time, they used a different phone.
Okay. So now they use
So now they use proper phone.
proper phone.
Yes.
What sort of proper phone?
A proper phone is something like, so a proper phone shows you proper things. A proper phone shows you the real thing. If you have an old phone, then it won't show you the real thing.
You mean smartphones?
Yes,
Like
smartphone.
what your sister has got.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So I think that it's necessary to have a phone so that you can like write notes and that you can call your parents if you need help or if you're in trouble with anything.
What sort of notes do you write on your phone, Lily?
So the notes I write on my phone is like it's just things that I should remember and like my learning things, and yeah.
So like you keep diaries on your phone?
Yes, I keep my diaries on my phone.
Okay. Elise, why is it necessary to have a phone? Do you know?
No.
No. Okay, let mommy tell you that it is very important to have a phone, especially when you're like from age
Oh yeah,
9.
now I get it. So if you have a phone if you're younger than 10, then you can't have a phone.
Yeah, just like mommy used to tell you, you know, Liana has a phone because she's going to be 10, and it's very important to have a phone because you're transiting to teenager, so that when you get to be teenager, you can always call mommy and daddy on that phone when you've been left alone by yourself in the house, or if you're coming back from school by yourself, you can always let your parents know your whereabouts. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so my next question for you girls, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes.
we're ready.
Great. What do you put on your phone? What sort of informations do you keep on your phone?
So the information that I keep on my phone is like I keep some of my personal data.
What do you mean by personal data?
Like sometimes I keep my passwords on there, and yeah.
Okay, and who do you give your telephone numbers to?
So I only give my telephone numbers to my parents, and sometimes my grandma and my grandpa. But like when I'm a teenager, then I will invite my friends to my telephone number. Like I will, yeah.
So when you're a teenager, you would give your friends, like exchange numbers with your friend, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so why is it very important that you don't save personal information on the phone?
So it's very important not to save your personal information on the phone, because if you lose your phone and someone can find your phone, they can easily like steal your personal information, and it can just be like very terrible.
Hellis, when people steal our phone, what kind of things do you think they can get from the phone?
So they can get from your phone, so they can get your number, they can get your username, they can get your password, they can get anything that's personal if they look inside your phone. But the reason is they don't know your password, so that's the good thing.
And they can also steal your notes or your diaries as well.
And they can also lock your phone if they get the whole thing, if they got the whole password wrong.
Okay, so is it good to put our address on our phone?
No.
Hellis, why do you think it's not actually a good thing to keep our address on the phone?
Because it's not a good thing, because if you put your address on the phone, then people can see what your message is. Because people can see what your personal things are on your phone. Because your phone is the special thing. It keeps all your special diaries inside it.
Liana, why do you think address shouldn't be on the phone?
So address shouldn't be on the phone because the person can find it, and it can find your location easily, and they can try to contact you as well.
Okay, so remember your topic on stranger danger,
Yes.
Ellis. The reason why we don't keep address on the phone is because when we lose our telephone,
Yeah.
strangers can pick it up and they can try and locate us by the address. So do you understand why we shouldn't have address on the phone?
Nope.
I just told you.
Yeah.
I just told you why you shouldn't have, address on your phone. Okay, so why shouldn't you save personal information? What do you mean? What I mean by personal information is your bank details and what other like important stuff. Why do you think it's not good to put them on the phone?
So I think that it's not good to put your personal information on the phone is because that like the stranger can pick it up and it can actually steal your money.
Good. At least, do you have anything to say to that?
Yes. I want to say one thing.
Go on.
So if you send one of your personal information to the stranger that you do not know, then that can be dangerous because they will know your door number, and it will come to your house and it will steal your money. Yes, and also it will tell another stranger danger.
Okay.
Stranger danger.
Okay, Elise. Thank you, girls. How do you keep safe when you have a mobile phone?
So how you keep safe if you have a mobile phone? So you don't touch a mobile phone if you don't know how to use it.
Liana?
So how to be safe is that you shouldn't give anyone your phone passwords, even including your friends, because it can be very dangerous and they can easily contact you.
So Liana, what age do you think is appropriate for people to have a mobile phone?
So the age that you should have a phone is you should be like 9 to have a phone, and then
And Elise, do you think a child like yourself should have a mobile phone?
No.
Why is that?
Because then you can press wrong buttons. Because if you press wrong buttons, then you might press an actual button that's not good. Because you can actually slow your mum or dad down.
Okay. Why is it necessary to have a mobile phone? Does anyone know?
Yes.
Okay, tell me why it's necessary to have a phone.
It's necessary to have a phone because it's necessary.
So it's necessary.
My sister's just taking forever because she has a board with LOL and she puts it inside the LOL big surprise bag.
So what have you got?
So I got this new LOL doll. See, if I open it like that, then it makes it cracking sound. Here's my beauty. Can anyone see my beauty personal? She cries like a baby. And she also pees, you know. I'm only joking. She don't pee. She just cries and she spits. Blah, blah, blah. Okay? So as you can see, I'm just gonna put this down. I'm just gonna get as you can see, here is my doll. She likes this milk carton, it tells me. And she also likes print. And she also has prints. And it also says the word. You can see it's all white. And Liana's is a very colourful sprinkle one. Hers is black and white, but this is what mine says. Have you seen Meow?
So my advice for those people out there is that you should never give your phone passwords to anyone because it can be really dangerous. And that you should always not save your personal information because a stranger can easily find it. And it's just unsafe.
Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome.
And anything else to tell people out there, Elise?
I want to tell them one thing. And if you're watching us, make sure that you watch us so that you can be safe and so that you can remember what to do when you have a phone. Because phones are very dangerous. They can actually save your thing by themselves. Phones are really dangerous because you can go on WhatsApp and a stranger can message you because that you lost your phone and now you found it. So now you see that they messaged you. So they found your personal information.
And make sure that you watch Dirty Back Sisters to know how to stay safe when you have a phone out there.
Make sure that you keep safe. Watch the back sisters to keep safe because we have lots of videos, you know, guys.
Yes, and make sure that you keep safe.
Make sure you keep safe so you don't get lost. Because if you get lost, that's the important part.
I hope that you've enjoyed our video. Make sure that you subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Hit the notification button so you don't miss any more of our videos.
And make sure that you follow us on Instagram if you can. Bye guys.
It's the lights are in my and I have to and it's the in the